Hello, it's RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform learning series for Android engineers. In this video, we'll learn about asynchronous processing using SKIE on iOS with a Todo app featuring native UI as a sample application. Please obtain the source code of the Todo app from the GitHub URL in the description. SKIE enhances Swift API exposed from Kotlin for multi-platform development. The targeted APIs for enhancement in SKIE include features like flows and suspending functions. SKIE was developed by Touchlab, a leading development agency specializing in Kotlin Multiplatform. Now let's dive into the actual code. This example demonstrates a suspend function to retrieve a list of todos. This suspend function is automatically converted into an async function by SKIE. Async functions allow writing asynchronous processing synchronously, much like suspend functions in iOS. This is part of the Swift concurrency API. In Swift code, by using try-await, we await the asynchronous completion and retrieve the list of todos. That wraps up the explanation for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more content on Kotlin Multiplatform.